Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm just starting out my kitchen. I had some stuff to put away. I went to the grocery store yesterday and there were some things I didn't get to put away, and I did leave my kitchen dirty again last night. I'm getting really bad about that. I think it's just having a 4-month-old, breastfeeding, having 2 other small kids. Like, it's just a lot sometimes. And I know there's no excuse, but hey, I'm 35 and I don't know, there's something different about having a baby when you're 35. Like, I just enjoy it more and I don't take anything for granted, because I also have a 17-year-old and he's already left the house. So it's like I just cherish every single moment with the little ones that I have here. Anyway, so I'm gonna dive into this, get this kitchen cleaned up, get the house cleaned up, because tomorrow I really want to get down and dirty and declutter and organize. Like, the cabinets have gotten out of control and just a lot of things going on. My daughter wants to rearrange her room, so we're going to try to get that done. So anyway, I'm just going to start on the kitchen and let y'all listen to the music while I clean. If you want to, just go ahead and put this on while you clean and we can just get it done together. So I finally found something that I really like. It cleans my stove and my sink really well. It's called Barkeeper's Friend, and I picked it up at the grocery store. I heard that you can get it from the Dollar Tree though for $1, and I think I paid $1.56 for this one, but I was there already and I just grabbed it. But I really like the way it cleans the glass stove and my sink, so it's definitely gonna be my friend, and I'm gonna keep it under my sink. My living room never really gets too dirty, but it was a little messy. The kids had some shoes out and my husband's work shirt was out, so I was just going to pick up this mess a little bit, and I'm going to do something a little different today. I'm going to go ahead and head to the kids' rooms and my room, and then I'm just going to do all the floors at the end and see how that works out for me. I usually clean the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room and do the floors in there, and then I move to the bedrooms, but I think today I'm just going to try to do all the floors at one time and see if I get done faster. I'm not sure, so we'll see. My son is 5 and I don't know why he keeps trying to make his bed, and somehow like all the sheets got off the bed, so I'm just going to go ahead and put some new ones on and wash the ones that he had.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe.
And my daughter's room wasn't so bad. She usually keeps it pretty picked up, but she just had a few things here and there, and I wanted her floor to be cleared off so we could vacuum. So that's what we're doing right here.
Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything.
My room wasn't too bad. I just needed to tidy up a little bit, make my bed, put a few things away, and then I'm gonna head over to the bathroom. And for my bed, like I've been making it this way. My husband picked this comforter from Walmart when I wasn't with him. And now, like, I didn't really like it at the beginning, and now he hates it because of the material on the other side. So when he comes home, he doesn't even want to lay on it. So I've just been flipping it over the other way and making my bed a little different. But I really need to get a new bed set. It's really not in the budget. Like for a king size bed, it's pretty expensive. But I do want something soft and comfy and lighter. Like I really like white. So anyway, we're gonna be getting a new one soon, hopefully. But this is how I'm making my bed for right now.
Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in.
So I've just been leaving this big laundry basket in our room. It has wheels, so that way I can just roll it to the laundry room whenever I need to. It does get full pretty fast because we have like really big bathroom towels. But anyway, so I'm just gonna roll that over there real quick and do a little laundry.
Nursery and count sheep. in my place. I'ma just dive right into the wild side, and I'ma ride the wave until I die. Until I die. My skin is cold, as is my heart. I'm falling apart with a smile. My bridges are burning.
And of course, with having a baby, I did not get everything done. Well, the only thing I really didn't get done was mopping the floors, which I usually do every time I clean, which is pretty much every day. But so anyway, I just got to vacuum, and then I needed to start supper, so I'll probably mop later on tonight. And my daughter was sweet enough to go ahead and vacuum her room. So anyway, she's getting it all ready because she's excited to rearrange in there. So we'll probably do that tomorrow. So anyway, guys, that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and do that and give me a thumbs up. And I will talk to y'all guys later. Bye, guys.
I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just